Thanks for coming back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. This is a part 2 of a little holiday haul that I treated myself to. I bought some stuff on Black Friday at a deal, and then for the holiday I'm fortunate enough to have a family who usually gives me some money, so technically I didn't spend money on this. Anyway, so some of the stuff from the Amazon haul, and I got a little bit from Beauty Bay. Some of it came earlier than this stuff. This stuff kind of all came at once, like a week later. So I decided to do a part 1 and part 2. It's kind of an unboxing. I guess it's just more of an Amazon beauty haul. I think it's all makeup-y type stuff this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. What do I start with? So I guess I'll start with, I've been eyeing these 2 sets of lashes from Amazon for months, and I've experimented with colored lashes this year. I really liked it. In particular, I liked the red, and I didn't really have a good green. Like, the green lashes I have are really kind of sheer. You can't really tell that they're green. So I bought these green lashes. They're huge. They also have some black fibers in them, which I couldn't see online. I mean, it's fine. I haven't even opened them yet though. And then these are the red and black ones that I ordered. I think it's hysterical too. Like, it has a little thing on it here that says don't put it on 0 to 3-year-olds. And I'm like, man, do people put these on their babies? Like, what in the world? I hope not. I know there's like toddler beauty pageants. I don't know why. So yeah, so I got those 2 eyelashes finally. I can get that off of my wish list. I also got some skincare that I've been using for a while. I was trying to find cruelty-free skincare to use from now on. It's really hard. Like, most of the skincare brands test on animals, and it's awful. But it comes in a nice glass bottle. It's cruelty free. It's also vegan, but I'm not vegan. It just happens to be. Vegan ceramide barrier face lotions from Pacifica. Sorry. Lipids and marshmallow. It's a very thick moisturizer. It's perfect for winter. I have oily skin, so I actually don't need a ton. I'm just gonna put it on my hands right now because it's there. I've been using this already. It has like a clean, fresh scent. It's not overpowering at all. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this for it feels like a heavy-duty moisturizer until you put it on your face, and then you can't tell that it's on. So cruelty-free overnight moisturizer, definitely recommends. Don't know that I've ever used it under makeup. I like to use an SPF one in the morning. But yeah, I recommend that. And then another cool thing, I finally got a magnetic palette. I didn't know why people would get these. I was like, oh, that's not for me, I'll never do it. But then I used up a face product. I bought a 4-pan face contour palette and only used the contour. So it looks like this. It's got a little mirror, and I completely panned. It's not a real strong magnet, or maybe these just aren't real reactive. They're a little sticky, so they are on there now, so I'm not going to move them around. But I only used this color. This was the first palette I've ever taken apart, and I realized, well, you could just save them. This I only saved because you can depot something. Is that the right word? Depot? You can take product out of another pan and put it in this one, and it's rather large, so I decided to go ahead and hold on to it. Sorry, you can see in the mirror there. I'm a mess. I left the peely thing on for the video. Let me get a hold of it first. So yeah, so I'm excited about this because when I start to use stuff up, I can just condense it into this palette. Yes. And it's not very big, but I don't have... Watch, I'm gonna need a huge one soon or something. But I didn't need at the time a lot of space. And then if, you know, if I go through another set of these, I can just stick them in here. I may do the same with a couple of other palettes that are just kind of taking up space because I only bought them for one color. It also came with a bunch of sticky magnet pieces so that, like, for example, the ColourPop Super Shock shadows don't have like a magnetic bottom to it, so I could put these on the bottom of that and then it'll be magnetized and I could put it on there. Obviously this one is too narrow for the Super Shock shadows, but I know a lot of people that have like a metallic board that they'll stick all their Super Shocks on. Okay, and I feel like this is so much shorter than the other one, but I got 3 lipsticks. One of them was a limited edition. It's Wet n Wild. It's a matte lipstick. It was labeled as Teal. And that's like one of the, besides yellow, I think, that's like one of the hardest colors to find, is like a straight up teal, not green, not blue, teal, right in the middle. And so I got it. I didn't realize it was this kind. This isn't, apparently there's another brand that has these lips on it, but it's Wet n Wild. This is, I think it was like $4. And it is teal. It is definitely teal. And I did not have any teal bullet lipsticks. So this is going to be a really cool addition. I'm excited about that. I'm excited about all of them. Bullet lipsticks are a lot easier to use, like to apply. So, you know, if I put a liquid lipstick on it in the morning or something, I can take this with me and reapply with this. I actually got a second teal lipstick. This one has also been on my wish list forever. The Wet n Wild one only popped up recently, so I got 2 different teals and they both just happened to come in that kind of later delivery. So this is by Mynena. Everything will be listed below. It's a liquid lipstick. I'd never tried this brand before. It is cruelty free. It even says so on the package, but it's one of those like Amazon specific brands as far as I know. So it is a kind of a medium teal. It goes on great. It's matte, it dries down. The Wet n Wild one doesn't smell like anything. This one does have like a kind of a sweet smell, this one. And it's a medium teal, and I actually have a light teal as well, and a dark teal liquid one. So now I have 4 teal lipsticks. I should do a teal lipstick video. So it's nice on the lips. You completely forget that you have it on. I actually did, and then looked in the mirror several hours later, and I just had the ring of teal. So I looked kind of dumb, but you know, I should have just reapplied it and it would have been fine. I had to use micellar water to get it off of the like the outer part of my lips because it wouldn't just rub off on a tissue or anything. So if I had noticed, then it had like worn off in the middle, you know, like they do. I would have just reapplied it and it would have been fine. But I really like it, and I think I'm going to get more of these. They're about $10, and they have some super unusual colors. So now that I've tested that brand and like it, I will try others. And then finally, I got another one of the Covergirl Exhibitionist bullet lipsticks. This is the one that has, or at least had when it first came out, 48 colors, and then they just recently added 12 more. This is one of the original 48. I have to get all the purples. It's called Verve Violet. The bottom is like not very purpley. It looks pink, but it's purple. It's a like a metallic purple. It's a light, almost lavender, I don't know. And it's pretty opaque on the lips, and it does stay pretty long. These all smell like a bakery. I just love them to pieces. I mean, they don't stay on all day, but I love applying them so much that I don't mind. So I believe I have 28 of these total now. There was one in my first haul of this stuff, part 1, and then this one came later. I do want to do a video of them. I feel bad when I don't have all of the colors. However, I don't know how many of the first 48 they're gonna continue, but this is just for me, for my, collection, and just because I really like purple and wanted to test it out. So yeah, that is my second half of the Amazon and some Beauty Bay haul, unboxing, call it what you will, for the holidays this year. My turtle is sleeping. He is on his basking area. The platform's probably still warm, so sometimes he likes to stay there overnight. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you could like and subscribe, or at least subscribe, that would really be awesome. It would help grow the channel a lot. I'm really trying to grow it. I love watching the numbers go up, so anytime you subscribe, it's like a little gift. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. If you don't celebrate any holidays, that's totally fine. I hope you have a wonderful December. Remember, even if it's difficult, just get through it 1 minute at a time. It will eventually be over. December is very difficult for me, which is partly why I'm dissociating so crazy like during this. But just get through one step at a time. We're almost there. I don't know when this is going to post, but breathe, hydrate, take your meds. We'll talk to you soon. I kind of accidentally got a second, not accidentally, but I cut. Let me figure out how this goes back on. It's not doing the thing. Gosh, I can't put it back together. Just haven't gotten it back yet. Cut that out. Green's kind of, the green. Is my eye still droopy? It's not as bad. Sorry, dissociation. I actually got a second teal one. It just happened to come in, in the later kind of, Dude, I am dissociating something hard right now. Super shock. Super shock. It's nice on the lips. You completely forget you had it on. You have it. I'm getting angry. It's a solid moisturizer that, not solid, it's a cream. It's a, this is the first pans that took apart, and sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. And what else?